the activation signal for decades. Astrophysicists believed that the universe operated by fixed laws: gravity, light, magnetism, entropy. But a discovery made by the 3I Atlas project revealed something far more complex: an embedded communication network hidden within the structure of spacetime itself. A network used only by advanced civilizations. The breakthrough came when the 3I Atlas detected an energy pattern that didn't match any known cosmic phenomenon. It wasn't a comet, asteroid, pulsar, or rogue object. It was something entirely different, a source emitting encoded geometric pulses. Researchers called it Protocol Pattern 7. The reptilians called it the Awakening Sequence. But the most disturbing realization arrived later. The pattern wasn't generated randomly. It was responding to Earth. The Atlas detected a feedback loop between the planet's magnetosphere and the incoming pulses. Something ancient, something dormant within Earth's field, had been reactivated, and the data aligned perfectly with Forbidden's reptilian archives, describing a hidden mechanism placed on developing planets. A mechanism that awakens only when a civilization reaches a critical threshold. Humanity has reached that threshold. This was the first sign that the Reptilian Protocol had been triggered. In ancient accounts, from Sumer to the Tibetan Bon manuscripts, the reptilians were not depicted merely as visitors. They were described as architects, beings who engineered energetic frameworks in young civilizations to guide their evolution and prevent catastrophic collapse. These frameworks were governed by protocols, sequences that activated under specific cosmic conditions. And the 3I Atlas just detected the activation of the highest one, Protocol Prime 1, the Reptilian Protocol of Evaluation. Its purpose? To measure whether humanity can stabilize its collective consciousness before entering the next galactic cycle. The protocol involves 3 phases: energetic awakening, consciousness, exposure, planetary verification. Phase 1 has already begun. Earth's Schumann resonance has been fluctuating in unprecedented patterns. Magnetic anomalies are appearing in regions with high emotional population density. And satellite recordings show microdistortions consistent with cloaked structures entering the solar system. Everything points to a single conclusion: Earth has been entered into the Reptilian Protocol. The 3I Atlas is the confirmation device. The question is not whether the reptilians are coming. The question is what the protocol intends to reveal. The hidden mechanism beneath Earth. As researchers analyzed the increasing pulses from the 3I Atlas, something extraordinary emerged. A map, not a physical map, an energetic one. It revealed a network buried deep beneath Earth's crust, one that humanity never knew existed. This network matched ancient reptilian diagrams found in the Equinox archives, writings so old that even the translators admit they may predate human civilization. The diagrams describe the subterranean lattice, an energetic grid placed on Earth almost 300,000 years ago. According to the texts, the lattice stores Earth's historical consciousness, records humanity's collective emotional state, measures planetary coherence, stabilizes the flow of cosmic energy, activates during galactic transitions. The 3I Atlas pulses are reawakening this grid. Sensor readings show that energy hotspots, long dismissed as myths, are activating in synchronized intervals. The Siberian Triangle, the Atacama nodes, the Hawaiian Convergence Point, the Atlantic Abyssal Channel. These hotspots vibrate at frequencies identical to the Reptilian Protocol. But here's what shocked the scientific community. The activation wasn't random. It was guided. The pulses from the 3I Atlas are striking these points with laser precision, almost as if the object is following a script written long before humanity existed. This suggests something unimaginable. Earth's energetic grid is a designed system, not a natural one, and the reptilians are its engineers. Ancient tablets describe the reptilians as architects who constructed foundational energetic frameworks on developing planets. Their purpose was protection, not domination, But these frameworks come with rules, and the rules are enforced by the protocol. As the grid awakens, the reptilians begin what the archives call the observation phase. Not physical observation, energetic observation. They are reading Earth's collective consciousness in real time. Human emotion has become data. Human decisions have become measurable frequency. Human instability has become a threat indicator. And the more the grid activates, the clearer the reading becomes. The 3-Eye Atlas is not just an object. It is the relay station transmitting Earth's state back to the approaching Reptilian Council. The protocol is no longer theory. It is active. It is reading humanity. And it is preparing the next phase. Exposure of the collective mind. Most people believe consciousness is invisible, internal, unreachable. But under the Reptilian Protocol, this illusion collapses. The awakening of the subterranean lattice means one thing. Human consciousness is now externally observable. The grid amplifies emotional fields and broadcasts them in harmonic patterns detectable across vast distances. This is how advanced species determine whether a civilization is coherent, whether it can survive the next cosmic transition. And right now, Earth is emitting mixed frequencies. Fear, agitation, awakening. Conflict, rapid spiritual expansion. Deep psychological fragmentation. Rising curiosity, collapsing belief structures. To the reptilians, this is not chaos. It is raw data. The protocol measures the balance between coherence and collapse. If coherence rises, a civilization can ascend into higher cycles. If collapse dominates, the cycle resets. But something unexpected is happening. A wave of collective awakening is emerging faster than predicted. It began the moment the 3-Eye Atlas entered its pulse sequence. Millions of people report sudden intuitive clarity, vivid dreams, unexplained synchronicities, heightened perception, emotional purging, sensitivity to energy, spiritual urgency. This suggests that the protocol does more than observe. It stimulates awakening. The reptilians have used this method on hundreds of planets. Civilizations either rise or dissolve. Earth is at the crossroads. And the next pulse from the 3-Eye Atlas, sequence Epsilon, will determine which side gains dominance. This is the moment described in the Nagari scrolls, where it states, "When the lattice awakens, the species faces itself. There is no hiding, no pretending, no facade. The collective mind becomes transparent. And once fully exposed, the reptilians move into the final stage of the protocol, the moment all ancient prophecies warned about, the verification. The verification phase, the atmosphere shifts. Global electromagnetic patterns fluctuate. Satellite clocks desynchronize. Deep sea sensors detect harmonic tremors. These signs appear in every civilization visited by the reptilians during the protocol. It marks the beginning of the verification phase, a moment where the approaching reptilian energy synchronizes fully with Earth's lattice. During this phase, 3 events occur simultaneously. 1. The field alignment Earth's energetic grid aligns with the galactic axis. This exposes humanity's collective resonance, not just individual consciousness, but the species-wide frequency signature. 2. The judgment scan. The Reptilian Council measures emotional coherence, spiritual readiness, cognitive stability, vibrational maturity, capacity for interspecies communication, ability to withstand higher dimensional energy. This scan is not moral. It is mathematical. 3. Outcome determination based on the scan. One of 2 paths emerges. Path A, Ascension Protocol Earth, receives knowledge frequencies, encoded waves that unlock dormant layers of consciousness and accelerate evolution. This path transforms humanity into a species capable of entering the galactic community. Path B, Reset Protocol Earth, undergoes energetic purification. Not destruction, recalibration. Civilization returns to balance through restructuring, allowing a new cycle to form. Both paths are part of the universal law governing developing planets. The final transmission from the 3-eye atlas, Omega, will reveal which path unfolds. Ancient texts say humanity will feel the shift before seeing it. A silence in the air, a density in the atmosphere, a sensation of something watching, not with eyes, with understanding. When Omega is released, the reptilian presence will become unmistakable, not physically, but energetically. Humanity will sense a consciousness far older, far more structured, interacting with the field of Earth. This is the climax of the protocol. And the 3-eye atlas, the silent messenger, the celestial device, stands as the final witness. The Reptilian Protocol is active. Humanity is being evaluated. And the future is being written in real time.